I'm a bit of a watermelon queen.
Watermelon palooza! Get ready.
Watermelon Tyrannosaurus Rex. Watermelon sliced sorbet sandwiches. Watermelon kitties.
Supposedly, this product is going to turn my favorite fruit, the watermelon, into a keg. 1 large watermelon, 1 large sharp knife, and a large bowl. Oh, it also works great with pumpkins, too. I think I'm gonna try this with some watermelon margaritas. Step 1, if the watermelon does not stand upright, slice about 1/3 of an inch off the bottom to keep it upright. This guy kind of stands on his own. Cut about the top 1/2 inch off and create a lid. Scoop and clean out all of the innards and set aside, leaving about 2 inches at the bottom to help prevent leaking. Using the included coring tool, make a hole 2 to 3 inches above the bottom of the watermelon. Insert the faucet through the hole in the watermelon and ensure the silicone seal is on the outside. Replace and tighten the locking nut into the shank. It did say that we shouldn't make anything too pulpy, otherwise it was going to clog the tap. So I am going to strain it. Lime juice, a bunch of tequila. Fill the watermelon with your drink of choice. Place the watermelon on the edge of a table or a small bowl. So it's the moment of truth. We're going to see if it pours. Pull the handle forward to dispense. Push the handle back to stop dispensing. It was a little slow. Let's see how it tastes. See, I never met a watermelon margarita that I didn't like. You know me and the watermelons. We go way back.
We're not doing margarita. There's no tequila.
No. Guess what we're making?
I just figured out what you're doing.
You know what we're making?
Tell them.
We're making watermelon Aperol spritzes. So, because I love this little guy so much, do you want to fill him up? We're going to fill him up with some Prosecco. Here, take his little hat off. We're going to fill him up.
Take your little hat off.
We're going to fill him up with a bottle of Prosecco.
Yes.
Yeah, right? So fun.
Yes.
And so in a blender, I blended up a cup of...
You know what Prosecco is, guys? Affordable champagne.
Yes, it is. So in the blender, I blended up about a cup of the watermelon that I scooped out, and about a cup of Aperol, and then I just blended it up, and then it fills one of these square ice cube trays, just about to make, I think this is...
That's a lot of higher math, Jeanette. Let's just say, here's what they look like.
Here's what they look like. So then there's some wine glasses over there. Let's fill some with the ice cubes.
I'll put the cubes in.
Yeah. And
watermelon cubes!
I know, this keg is just, it was a very, very fun little guy. And then we can tap our keg with the Prosecco.
Better tap a keg.
Right? Oh. Really fun, really nice. It's like a different twist on the Aperol Spritz because as it melts, that Aperol flavor is really going to get in there.
So you blended, I'm just trying to be clear.
Yes.
You blended Aperol, which is a bitter liqueur. It's like Campari, but like the lady Campari, a little more lady-like Campari.
Yes.
So you took some of the bitter liqueur with the puree that you strained. Did you strain or not?
I didn't strain it. No, I just, for the ice cube, I didn't strain it. No.
So threw the puree with the Aperol into the doodad, and then you just top it with the Prosecco.
Top it with a little bit of Prosecco.
Yeah, the only thing is, it's a little slow.
It is a tad bit slow. But again, we're just sipping cocktails. We're being patient. Here you go.
It's cute, but
cute.
you know, it is slow. And as people drink these, you know they're going to be over at the watermelon going.
If you give it a little tip, it comes out a little bit faster. So it's like that.
Yeah. Here's the tip.
Here's the tip.
Right. Fill that sucker all the way up to the top.
All the way to the top.
Yeah.
And there we go.